morning students, myself Sanjay Parekh, faculty of maths. Welcome to our YouTube channel Kohinoor Kids Academy Nimkathana. Now we shall read chapter 10, currency. What is currency? Currency means money. Our currency is rupees, and we know that 1 rupee equals to 100 paisa. 1 rupee equals to 100 paise. In this chapter, we will learn how to add, how to subtract, how to multiply, and how to divide of currency. Means addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division of currency. Yes. Now we will learn addition of currency. Suppose we want to add 9 rupees 50 paise and 12 rupees 75 paise. Then what will we do? Yes, we will add the column of paise and then column of rupees. 5, 7, 5, 12. Yes, we have 125 paise in paise column and 9 to 11, 1 and 1, 2. 21 rupees in rupees column. But we know that 1 rupee equals to 100 paise and our paise are 125. So we can subtract 100 from paise column and add 1 in rupee column. Because 125 paise is 1 rupees and 25 paise. So 1 rupees add 1 in rupees column and 1 rupee equals to 100 paise. Subtract 100 paise in paise column. Then this is 5 and this is 2. 25 paise and this is 1 and 1, 2. 22 rupees 25 paise. And our answer is rupees 22 rupees and 25 paise. In this manner, we can add the currency. Okay, now we will learn subtract of currency. Yes, this was example 1. Now example 2. Now we want subtract. What subtract? Rupees and paise. Yes, 12 rupees 40 paise. And we want to subtract 9 rupees and 90 paise. Yes. What should we do? We should subtract 90 from 40. Can we subtract? No, because 40 is less than 90. So we should borrow 1 rupees from rupees column and make new table. What is the new table? The new table is 11 rupees, because we will borrow 1 rupees from 12, then it remains 11 rupees. But 1 rupee equals to 100 paise. Means in paise column 100 is added, means 100 plus 40, and the paise column becomes 140. Have you understood? What? We cannot subtract 90 from 40. So take 1 rupee, borrow from rupees column and make a new column. And new column is 11 rupees and 100 paise transferred to paise column. So the paise column becomes 140 paise, because 40 was already exist, and now we borrow 100 paise. 100 plus 40 becomes 140 paise. And we want to subtract 9 rupees and 90 paise. Now we can subtract easily and can get answer. Yes. In 140 we will subtract 90 paise. 0 minus 0, 0. We cannot subtract 9 from 4, so we take a borrow. It becomes 0 and it becomes 14. Then 14 minus 9 equals to 5. And 11 minus 9 equals to 2. And answer is 2 rupees 50 paise. Our answer is 2 rupees 50 paise. Have you understood these two examples? Okay. Now we will learn how to multiply and divide of currency. How to multiply and divide of currency. Now we take example 3. Multiply 7 rupees 25 paise. 7 rupees 25 paise multiply by 5. Okay. Make 2 columns, rupees and paise. In rupees column write 7 and in paise column write 25 and multiply by 5. Okay. Multiply in paise column 5 5 ja 25. Carry 2. 5 2 ja 10 and 2 12. Yes, in paise column there is 125 paise, and in rupees column 5 7 ja 35. Now we shall proceed the previous method. How? There are 125 paise is more than 100 paise. Means we will subtract 100 paise, and in 100 paise add 1 rupee each because 1 rupee equals to 100 paise. Now this is 25 paise and this is 36 rupees and our answer is 36 rupees 25 paise. Have you understood this question clearly? What have you done? Multiply 7 rupees 25 paise multiplied by 5. We make two columns, one of rupees and other of paise. In rupees column we shall write 7 and paise column we shall write 25 and then multiply by 5. 5 will be multiplied by 25 separately and 7 separately. Means in paise column there is 125, 5 5 25, carry 2, 5 2 10 and 2 12. Means in paise column 125 paise and in rupees column 5 7 35 rupees column. But we see that in paise column there is more than 100 paise. Means we shall convert into rupees again. Then we shall subtract 100. If in paise column there is 125 or more than 100, then we shall subtract 100. If in paise column there are 225 or 250 paise, means above 200, then we shall subtract 200. Okay, if we subtract 100, then we add 1 in rupees column, and if we subtract 200, then we will add 2 rupees in rupees column. Okay, right. Then our new answer is 25 paise and 36 rupees. Now our example 4. Divide. Yes, we want to do divide. 47 rupees 32 paise. 47 rupees 32 paise. We want to divide by 7. Yes. Then make 7 right here and 47 rupees 32 paise. Now yes, table of 7 until 47 comes. It should not be then 47. 7 1 ja 7, 7 2 ja 14, 7 3 ja 21, 7 4 ja 28, 7 5 ja 35, 7 6 ja 42 and 7 7 ja 49. 49 is more than 47. So 7 6 ja 42 means 7 into 6 rupees and that is 42 rupees. Now we subtract. This is 5 rupees. 7 minus 2 equals to 5 rupees. Then we take 32 paise. Now we will convert 5 rupees 32 paise in paise only. Only paise. You know that 1 rupee equals to 100 paise. Means 5 rupees equals to 500 paise. And 32 paise means these are 532 paise. Yes. Now we will start divide in 532 of 7 in paise column. Yes. 5 1 ja 5. We want not more than 53. Now 7 7 ja 49. 7 7 ja 49. 7 8 ja 56. 56 is more than 53. No. 7 7 ja 49. Okay. Remainder is 4. 13 minus 9 equals to 4. And this is 2. Okay. 42. Tell the table. Speak the table of 7 up to 42. 7 6 ja 42. Okay, passive column is complete. And our answer is 6 rupees 76 paise. Have you understood? Yes, understood. Once more. We want to divide 47 rupees 32 paise by 7. So, make a division column. Here write 7 and here write 47 rupees 32 paise. Now in rupees column 7 6 ja 42. Remainder is 7 minus 2 5 rupees and then take 32 paise. Now convert in paise only because rupees column is completed. We know that 1 rupee equals to 100 paise means 5 rupees equals to 500 paise and 32 paise extra means 532 paise. Now speak the table of 7 in 53. 7 7 ja 49. Remainder is 4. Then take 2 means 42 paise. Then 7 6 ja 42 paise. Our divide is completed and the answer is 6 rupees 76 paise. Now you understood addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of currency. Now in next class we will learn how to make word problems in currency and make bill. How does a shopkeeper make a bill of your items? In next class we will learn. Okay, now revise the 4 operations and make practice on this. Okay, thank you for the watching my video carefully. Now download the PDF file from description link and practice then.